dye my hair today because it's looking crusty. It's been looking crusty and I look crustier now. First, we gotta change. Now I'm wearing a big shirt because I don't want to stain my shorts. I'm gonna brush my hair out. And I used a towel to cover that because it's very ugly. I haven't dyed my hair in a long time. I'm gonna grab this little thingy and separate it. Sorry if you hear like a lot of background noise. It's the air. I have the air on because it's hot and it smells like hair dye in here, so I'm not trying to dye, suffocate myself. So I'm gonna do it down the middle, all the way back, all the way down. Okay, now do the same to this side. Oh, I think I grabbed way more hair. Yeah, I did. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. Okay, so I have this one. I need another liga. Okay. So now that you separated your hair, I'm gonna put a towel, or should I put a plastic bag? No, I'm gonna put a towel so I can wash it. I can wash it, and I don't want to be wasting plastic. I just want to stain my table because it's white, and I am not trying to. I'm not having that. I'm not about that. Okay, so I grabbed this, and I put in some hair dye. I'm using the one and only Argan Oil hair color, and I'm gonna dye it. I think it's chocolate or medium chocolate brown. I'm gonna grab some of this, just pour some in there, like, you know, I just put it in together like this, and then I just mix it. It looks like this now. It's so sticky. Why is this glove so hard to put on? I hate the way gloves smell. They smell so bad. It's disgusting. I think these gloves are stale. I'm gonna go get new gloves because those suck. Okay, I have gloves now. I found gloves. That was trying. My buns are falling apart. This is not good. Alright. My hands are already sweating. Oh my god. Is there a correct way to put on? I don't think so. Okay, so why does this look purple? I'm gonna be doing it on the long parts first, then I'll go over the roots. This comes out how I'm expecting it to come out, and I actually upload this video, that's gonna be a little bit harsh because I look like trash. Then I'm just gonna, honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just trying my best here. I'm trying my best. As long as I don't get any hair dye anywhere else than my hair, I'm chilling. Look at how much my hair falls off. Oh my god. So bad. It's gonna be really hard to do. Can't see the back. Okay, I'm gonna do this side. I just dropped a big ass chunk on the floor. I've been watching this show on Netflix. It's called, I think it's called The Haunting of Hill House, or The Haunting in Hill House. I don't know. It's so interesting, and like the ghosts and stuff. It's like a scary type of show. Like the ghosts and what do you call them? The apparitions. The things that pop out, like they don't look fake. So I love that. I'm literally trying my best not to stain my freaking ears. It's okay, because like I already freaking got my whole neck right there. Oh my god, did y'all see all that hair? I love that. Wow. I love being bald. My neck is perfect. I'm gonna put this on. I'm not trying to have a ugly neck. Double chin. Okay, that is not okay. The only reason why I wanted to dye my hair was because my hair is two different colors. It's like really light from the bottom, and then it's like a light brown here, and then this is like my natural hair color. So it looks so ugly. I need to get my life together. You scared me!
Do you ever think you'd have these?
So I probably just watched like 10 YouTube videos, and this is like.
Doing this, I was like, okay, James is gonna be famous.
Honestly, whenever I dye my hair, I don't really count from the minutes, you know, that go by when I have this on. I think I'm gonna go wash it off. This is how it came out. I would say it came out pretty even. I'm gonna turn this way because of the light. It's pretty. Let's see. Pretty even, as you can see, like the tips, they used to be like really light brown. It's just regular chocolate brown. I have hair dye all over my arm, so that's great, you know. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.